Hindi po ako mastermind, isa po akong victim.
Last but siguro itong
Alice Guo.
huli na lang po si
This is 24
Take
minutes.
Advantage. Nandito na rin po si Ma'am Alice, no?
But they're gonna grill her
Namang
probably.
siguro we will have an executive session probably before we wrap up, no? Ito pong hearing na ito kasi sabi nga kanina bugbog na kayo, pagod ka na, no? Hindi nga 12 hours sa Kongreso dito, ilang oras. Siyempre siguro naawa ka sa sarili mo, pero siguro dapat maawa rin tayo doon sa mga naging biktima ng Pogo. Ikaw ba ay mastermind o willing ka ba magsabi kung talaga meron nasa likuran ng whole operation na ito?
Your Honor, hindi pa ako mastermind. Masasabi ko po, isa pa akong victim.
Victim. So, ikaw ay victim.
Hindi siya victim, isa siyang plant. Isa siyang planted asset ng China. I remember this, yung less guilty shit. Wait, what? Can I just say, he looks kinda good.
O kaya, PON, no? Ikaw ay ginagamit ng isang criminal syndicate, international group o crime syndicate.
Your Honor, hindi naman po siya ginamit. If ever po, kung meron man po ako na itulong, ano po akong tao, helpful akong tao. Kung meron man po, yun lang po. Pero sa mga activities po na ginawa or sa mga allegations po, wala po akong
Cutesy,
kinalaman.
yeah.
Kasi Madam Chair, no, siguro sabihin ko lang kay Madam Alice, no, tanong ko lang, kung kayo po tingin nyo sa ganitong operasyon, kayo ba ay guilty or kayo ba most guilty o tingin mo meron pang mas guilty sa inyo dito sa ganitong operasyon?
Hindi po ako guilty po.
So, hindi kayo most guilty. Meron pang mas guilty. Kumbaga may mastermind pa talaga.
Hindi, less guilty. Hindi guilty talaga.
Sige po.
Kasi aamin siya eh.
Your Honor, I think sa tagal po na investigation, alam na rin po ng committee po, especially chaired by our Madam Chairman, who's really at the back of everything po.
Oh?
Kaya ako natanong kasi, baka
They're
sa
just
executive
confirming.
session, sana sa uli, ay may pagkakataon pa kayong sabihin kung sino man yung talagang nasa likuran. Kasi nga, kung sabi mo ikaw ay biktima, maawa din tayo sa mga naging biktima ng Pogo.
Wait. Parang live lang ginawa na parang ginawa lang sa OBS yung pagpasok sa kanya sa screen. Tawa ako dun.
Who's really at the back of everything po.
Kaya ako natanong kasi, baka sa executive session, sana sa uli, ay may pagkakataon pa kayong sabihin kung sino man yung talagang nasa likuran. Kasi nga, kung sabi mo ikaw ay biktima, maawa din tayo sa mga naging biktima ng Pogo. Diba?
Unti-unti pa eh.
So, sa executive session, hindi pwedeng ilabas
Mas nakakatawa kung bumalik yun eh. Pag tapos babalik na onte para sasakto sa gitna.
yun, no, sa media, sa publiko. Maintindihan namin kung ikaw ay natatakot, no? Dahil international crime syndicate po ito, natatakot ka para sa buhay mo. Para din mabawasan siguro yung kasalanan mo kung sakali sa executive session ay willing ka bang sabihin kung sino yung most guilty na sinasabi mo?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Narinig mo
Madam
kulog?
Chair, so I wrap up. So I'm
Yes.
I'm expecting that Miss Alice Go will divulge the real masterminds of the operation of this international crime syndicate, and we will will be responsible for her safety. So
Pero
alam ko
mas
naman
malakas
natin, pero
ako
sana po
sa kulog.
masabi po niya sa totoo. So She said yes already. So we will just await for the executive session. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Ooh.
Maraming salamat,
She's gonna
Senator
spill the
JV.
beans.
I think it's the first time narinig ko na sinabi ni Guo Huaping na meron na tayong natutumbok sa
Yo, may
buong
food
kwento
sila.
nung sino ang pinakamatataas sa likod nitong mga pogo sa Pilipinas at yung isa pa namin gustong
Magsasalita na si
malaman,
Alice. Let's
sino
go.
sa mga government personnel o officials ang tumulong sa pagtakas kahit for monetary considerations. So if at the proper time gagawa ng motion si Senator JV for an
The
executive
motion.
session, posible sa huling, susunod at posibleng huling hearing, the chair will be very open to that. Pag-isipan nyo rin yan. Kuhuaping, maghingi ka ng payo sa iyong mga abogado para kung gagawin natin yung prosesong iyon, make the most use of it. Don't
Madam
waste the time, don't waste the opportunity, but
Yes,
make
Madam
the most
Chair,
use of it.
thank you for that.
Senator JV.
I will also, the proper time, make the motion for
Juicy.
an executive session. And given the fact that Miss Alice Goat just now, ngayon lang niya sinabi na talagang sasabihin niya, appreciate. Naawa na rin kami sa inyo. Bugbog ka na, 13 hours, no? Nakakapagod din emotionally. So sana
13
para-
hours kang
In about 7 minutes
ginigisa.
ito, we will move. We still have 7 minutes.
Bro, what the fuck
and,
was Bato
Senator De La Rosa, dahil may studio. But just before that, one quick follow-up question kay Ms. Cassandra. May ifa-flash po akong photo dito kasi Biti, no, yung tanong kanina, I believe ni Senator Sherwin sa inyo, sino nagpakilala sa inyo kay Charlotte?
Sino si Charlotte?
Kilala nyo ba itong taong ito?
Ako hindi ko
Na
kilala.
Si Liu Dong. At siya
Wala
ba-
po akong kilalang Liu Dong.
Liu
I don't
Dong
know any
alias
Liu Dong.
Boga. Siya ba ang nagpakilala
Lalong
sa
wala
inyo
akong kilalang
kay
Boga.
Charlotte o Liye ba yung sinabi niyong totoong pangalan? Chinese name ni Charlotte.
Shelly po.
Sorry, Shelly
Yes,
or
Madam
Charlotte.
Chair.
Si Liu
Oh, this is a
Dong
different
ba,
person.
alias Boga,
This is
ang
Cassandra.
nagpakilala sa inyo ni Shelly o ni Charlotte.
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po siya, Madam Chair, sorry, hindi ko po siya kilala.
Ito yung webcam. Nawawala yung gameplay sa background.
Hindi mo kilala itong taong ito. Ngayon, naalala mo na ba sino, kung hindi man itong si Liu Dong alias Boga, naalala mo na ba kung sino nagpakilala sa inyo ni Charlotte or Shelly?
Madam Chair, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali,
Anong
nakilala
category
ko po
yan?
siya doon na lang
Hindi,
sa
ano yan?
loob po yata.
Saan po?
Culinary.
Nakilala ko na lang po siya nung...
Because they're getting
parang
cooked.
hindi ko po sigurado, parang tawag po dito. Nakilala ko na lang po siya as the manager of nung nag-rent po sa amin.
Sabi mo kanina, nakilala mo siya sa loob. Loob ng...
I mean, nakilala ko po siya dahil siya yung manager ng Lucky South po.
Si Charlotte o si Shelly ang manager
Yes
ng
po.
Lucky South.
Yes po.
So, sinong nagpakilala sa inyo nung manager ng Lucky South?
Wala po akong matandaan right now. Bali, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, baka pinakilala na lang po siya sa akin yung mga nagre-rent po doon.
Sinong mga nagre-rent yun?
Hindi ko na po talaga matandaan yung pangalan, Madam Chair.
All right. So 5 minutes till we suspend. Miss Cassandra, may question i-field ko para sa Senate President pro tempore. Mr. Yang Jianxian, kung yung steel business nyo ay induction furnace na galing sa China, yan ba yung Sanja ba yun? Yan ba yung negosyo ng Sanja, yung steel na gawa ng
Ang daming-
induction furnace galing sa China? Miss Caroline.
请问，那个，你的三强公司，他们使用的这些钢铁的技术那个机器，就是这种机，它有这种机器吗？
You be throwing the N words.
你们三强公司使用的机器叫做什么？
就是那个炼钢铁的机器啊。
炼钢铁。Yes, it is the steel furnace.
It is the steel.
It would be so funny kung nagtatagalog siya, like all this time, they're going through the effort of translator. Tapos yung pala marunong naman siya magtagalog. He's just doing the
Or
I
it's
can't
the
speak.
induction furnace. Induction furnace ba?
Yes, when you say 炼钢铁, it's like molding. Yeah,
Okay.
molding the steel.
So
Is that
yun
to do
yung induction furnace na tinatawag.
with-所以你们的机器就是炼钢铁机器，对吗？
就是用那个废铁下去烧，再炼出来的。
Yes, it's the furnace, the induction
Imagine
furnace.
mo yun.
Well, for the record, induction furnace yung gamit ng Sanja, iyan ang kinikilalang substandard na steel na lumulunod sa market sa ngayon. Yung
Ooh.
induction furnace na
Isipin mo, may-ari siya ng business sa Pilipinas pero hindi man lang siya marunong magtagalog. How was it approved?
pinamimigay daw na libre sa China dahil obsolete na doon at para hindi tayo makatayo ng honest steel industry dito sa Pilipinas. Mr. Yang, nasaan ang steel nyo?
Highly improbable. Yang alam ko hindi pwedeng tingin ko nagpapanggap lang. No hablo Tagalog. No hablo. No hablo Tagalog. Hanasemasen. Tagalog hanasemasen.
Steel na ginawa di umano sa Sanja.
OK，所以你们生产出的钢铁现在在哪里呢？
在哪里销售？
As I was saying, hindi ba bawal ang foreigner mag-own ng business sa Pilipinas? Parang kailangan yung owner is still Filipino or something.
是吧？
现在在哪里？他们存在哪里？
生产的钢铁是吧？
是的。
在那个达古兰三家的仓库里面呢、
Aray ko.
三家厂里啊。
So the manufactured steel right now are kept in the warehouse.
Saan yung warehouse?
那个仓库在哪里？
就是在三家的工厂里面呢、
So it's inside the factory of Sanja.
Inside the factory of Sanja. Where is the factory of
Alam ko
Sanja
it's just a
located?
Chinese
三家
word,
的工
but
厂在哪里？
在那个
it sounds different and I'm not used to hearing it.
那个
So it's funny.
达古兰的那个经济开发区里面，
达古兰是什么地方？开发区。
达古兰
达古兰 it's in Dakuran. Dakuran.
那个经济开发区吧。
Like the economic development area.
Sorry, Miss Caroline, pakiulit.
It is in Dakuran Economic Development Area.
In the
Dakuran.
Takuran?
Dakuran.
Dakuran?
Oh,
Sino po nagbigay ng permit sa inyo na mag-stock ng steel ng Sanja sa Fividec?
所以您把这些钢铁存在你们的仓库，谁给你们这个许可证？
I think I read about this.
我们都有许可证啊，全部有啊，手续都完整啊。
I think I read about this in yeah. I think I read about this on Twitter. I think that's government property. Yung kung saan siya naka-warehouse. Kaya kaya na-shock si Hontiveros.
所以这个存在仓库的钢铁哪里得到的许可证？
Who gave you permission, bro? Spit it
不
out.
明白，就是说什么存在仓库的许可证啊？
就是你们如何把这些钢铁存在你们的仓库里面？
我们生产出来
It's just
如果
who?
卖出去
Give us a name.
在那边啊。
所以你们的许可证是哪里得到的？
许可证这个就是我们有申请啊，这些不是我去申请的，是那个 我们三家的那个有在做这个去负责申请这些办手续的工人啊。
Yes, Ms. Caroline.
True,
So
brother.
it's already included in the all the permits that we have. Even the warehouse permit, it's also included there.
No, Sanja is a private company. Fividec is a government facility.
Oh, there it
Sino
is.
nagbigay ng permiso sa inyo na ang private steel ng Sanja ay pwedeng i-stock doon sa government facility ng Fividec?
Oh,
Sino yung padrino doon?
所以你们在这个 Fibidec 这个仓库
It's
你知道这个
about to
Fibidec
get
的仓
lit.
库吗？这个是政府拥有的这个地方，所以谁给您这个许可证，让你们把你的公司的钢铁进入在这个仓库
Madadagdagan yung
里面？
因为我们三家
Madadagdagan yung i-invite nila na i-interviewin.
地来建的啊。我们三家的工厂嘛，是给那个 BBD 的这个开发区里面租地来建三家工厂的。
Yeah, because this area by Fibidec is the one that we rented, so that's
Oh.
why we are allowed to put in our products.
Who
there.
did
No
you
private
rent it
company can rent
from?
a government facility, ganyan-ganyan lang.
Damn.
Sinong kausap nyo sa Fividec
Cook.
para pumayag na i-rent nyo yan or
Let
basta
her
ma-stock nyo ang steel produce ng Sanja sa Fividec? Sinong kausap ninyo? Sinong kausap ng Sanja sa Fividec?
Who are you
所以
dealing
你们在
with, bro?
Fibidec 的联系人是谁
Ayaw pa nila mag-drop ng name tiyak.
？Fibidec 的联系人。
我们都是
Kasi-
那个一个叫
Kasi probably may
东海
utang na
的
loob
那
sila
个
dun sa tao
大
kasi
董
nga
的
pinayagan
英文的
sila
那
pero
个在
nahuli
跟
sila, so it's
BBD 的在联系啊，
他叫
it's
什么
fuck.？
叫东海。
东海，你叫做东海。
东
The
海
name of the person that I'm communicating with in Fibidec who knows how to speak English also, it's called 东海。
Tonghai, Chino siya o Filipino siya?
他是哪国人？
Madam Chair,
中国
if I
人
may,
Yes, Senator De La Rosa.
maybe next hearing, Madam Chair, can we invite the manager or the chairman of PBDIC to give us enlightenment on this? Baka parang locator yung ginagawa nila, parang locator yung mga kumpanya dyan sa loob.
Alright.
Tanungin natin, Madam Chair, imbitahan natin.
Sino po
Ooh,
ang manager
more
o chair
people.
ngayon na ating iimbitahin?
We're coming in.
Noon, alam ko, retired general yan eh. Retired general ng Armed Forces, pero I don't know ngayon kung sino nang bago.
Alright.
PBDIC.
We
Thank
will
you,
do
Madam.
that, Senator De La Rosa. And
Someone's
before I
about to
recognize
go
the majority
out of
leader,
country
two matters urgently.
or to the hospital. Pretend
Mr.
that
Yang,
they're
iimbitahin
sick
namin
or
next
some shit.
hearing yung manager or chair ng Fividec, either retired general or kung sino ngayon ang manager o chair, dahil sa tingin ko rin, siya yung kausap nyo para makapag-stock ang isang private company sa isang government
Unless may ilaglag siya.
facility. And then,
Is this
sa
Zoom?
pending matter ng executive
This is
session,
Zoom.
actually, we have a room available,
streaming
pero
via Zoom.
pumasok din yung request ng counsel ni Guo Huaping na si Attorney David, who is also a resource person na sa next or last hearing na lang. So, kaming, and Madjo, just to update you, kaming mga members ng committee, ready kami to go into executive session now. We have a room available, but in a way, it's also partly your call, no? Handa ka
There
na
you
ba
go.
ngayon? Or sa susunod na hearing pa. Pero ngayon na sana, Miss Alice, Guo Huaping, ako naniniwala ako sa timeliness ng mga bagay-bagay. If I may, yes, kung maaari po, Majority Leader, I'd just like to make a brief closing remark before we suspend. And then unless may violent objections, mag-move into executive session na po tayo.
What does an
Tony
executive
Yang, alias
session mean?
Antonio Maestrado Lim, real name
I heard my name.
Yang Jianqin,
I'm kidding.
has made many stunning revelations. He admitted that he is a Chinese national who co-opted a Filipino identity to establish businesses here. He admitted that he was born in China, thus admitting that his Filipino birth certificate is fake. He admitted to having no boss and being the boss of his businesses. Ang problema, at least one of those businesses involves a POGO connected to Bamban with its own slew of illegal activities. Hindi lang negosyo,
Oh,
ang
executive
patagon
session
nilang
is no
tinatayo dito,
media.
sindikato. And it's not
That's where
only
you can do the
Filipino
deals.
identities they have co-opted, unti-unting lumalabas sa hearings natin na pati mga opisyal at institusyon ng gobyerno ay unti-unti nilang napapas sa kamay. Zhao
Maraming transactions sa loob.
Zhao Qi, sorry if I
Exactly.
did not pronounce it correctly, has admitted that he offered 1 million pesos to ensure special treatment for his wife and
Nabasa ng
grandchild.
Gcash.
Senator Joel had reported that Tony
Gcash
Yang had police
No,
escorts with him
not
at
Gcash.
Dalatingan
Just
Airport.
cash.
It appears that POGO influence has taken hold in the local governments of Bamban,
Because Gcash has digital footprint.
Suwal, and possibly Homalig. Malamang ay hindi pa buo ang kwentong ito at lumalabas na pati law enforcers ay posibleng na kompromiso. This creeping invasion must be halted.
Yup.
Nagpanggap kayong Pilipino at ginawa niyong pugad ng krimen ang bansa namin. Pero hindi niyo kami kilala. Hindi kami papayag po dito.
Let's go. Get them
I
out.
had hoped that this would be the last hearing, but there are revelations that warrant further investigations and individuals whose side needs to be heard. In the interest of fairness, General Acorda will be invited to the next hearing. Again,
Unahin natin
Ms. Sheila Guo,
sa mga kilala
your
na.
contempt citation is
Uy,
lifted.
kawawa naman si Isaac.
I'm informed that the court sheriff is here to serve
Grabe ka.
subpoenas
Grabe ka kay
Cassandra
Isaac.
Ong for human trafficking and Guo Huaping and Zhang Mir for money laundering. The OSAA is instructed to extend the necessary assistance. This hearing, before I
Name drop.
suspend,
Sino pa ba yung Chinese
I'm-
na natin?
May we
Yes,
ask from the Honorable Chair,
Majority Leader.
if
Sen.
we're going to
Dr.
proceed
Francis.
with the executive session, because I've made likewise, as per your request, during the last hearing, I've made available the adjacent office, which is
Thank
just a
you.
few steps away, Madam Chair.
Thank you very much, Majority
So it is the
Leader.
pleasure now of the committee to have
Magsahin lang
the
ako. Okay.
executive session, or kasi matagal ka na nanghihingi na executive session, Miss Alice. Tuloy na ba ngayon?
Gusto ng komite, what say you?
Your
Guo
Honor,
Huaping?
Madam Chair, I'm very thankful po for the opportunity po. However po, gusto ko po sana kasama po yung council ko po, yung league council ko po sana. Request ko lang po.
Wala ba
So
dyan
sa
yung council
next,
mo?
Possibly last hearing na lang
Opo.
natin.
Wala ba dito yung
lang.
council mo? Di ba
Wala ba
Wait,
yung
that's what I'm asking.
consult mo kanina?
Nasa Cebu po sila, darating po sila sa Thursday po.
Sino yung kinakausap mo sa likod
At-
mo?
Tropa lang
Si
niya.
attorney ko, hindi nyo ba counsel?
Partners po. Apo.
Sinong counsel?
Council ko niya.
Ni-request ko po si Attorney Stephen po, tsaka si Attorney Avisado po.
Attorney Avisado and
Attorney Stephen David po.
Attorney David.
Madam Chair,
Senator
let us
Ramos.
inform.
Tropa ko lang po yun yung nasa likod. Paano kung ganun, no? Sino yung kausap mo? Tropa ko lang po. Yung nakaupo sa likod. Sponsor ko po. Sponsors.
The resource person that whatever will be taken up during the executive session, hindi namin yan ilalabas. Hanggang sa committee lang yan. Kaya huwag kang mag-alala. Hindi ka namin dito, hindi kami mga traidor. Kung ano pag-usapan doon sa loob, sa amin lang yan for the consumption of this committee. Kaya huwag kang mag-alala. Then, I'm worried kung bigyan pa natin ng next chance. Madam Chair,
It's
baka
never
lalala
gonna
yung
happen.
sakit niya, magkakaroon ng medical reasons na hindi
Yep.
na magdating dito. So,
Then-
mas mabuti ngayon
Pag natupad yung next time, Pagdating ng next time, meron na neck brace. May neck brace na yan, tapos nasa hospital na. Hello, Kiki. How are you? Di na pwede interviewin. Oh, naka-neck brace na eh. Tapos naka-wheelchair. Mga ganun.
Yun na, nandito na tayo. Baka mamaya, busy na tayo sa budget
Cricks!
deliberation.
Ayun,
Madam
that
Chair.
was your
Next
your
week,
old name.
Wala na. So,
I remember
let us
now.
use this opportunity.
The
That's
chair
all, Madam
adds
Chair.
her advice to that of Senator De La Rosa. Go Huaping, napapanahon na eh. Nandito na yung lugar. Nire-assure kayo muli ni
I mean, she has
Senator De La
lawyers
Rosa.
behind her. So,
Assurance ng komite tuwing gagawa kami ng anumang executive session. I
Why
really
not?
advise you to take advantage of this moment. At kung may bitin pa or may nagtyaga nga kami sa mabagal na translation with resource persons na sa tingin naman namin nakakaintindi naman. You may ask Attorney Ko and your other counsels here present to consult with Attorney David kung may tanong ka during the executive session. But I
so tingin din nila nakakaintindi naman yung kausap nila. That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying.
really advise you to take advantage of this opportunity.
It's
Madam
so
Chair,
good.
Chair,
It's
Majority
so
Leader.
good.
Masama ang pakiramdam niya, yung office ko katabi lang yung clinic eh. Pwede rin natin
no
pa-assist
excuses,
sa'yo,
bro.
sa mga doktora at doktor doon.
Ano po. So muli,
Pakabit ka muna ng
anong sa
IV.
inyo? Go Huaping.
Madam Chair, okay lang po na makausap ka lang po saglit si Attorney Stephen David.
Please
po.
do that.
Apo.
In the meantime, habang iniintay natin, ipapapirma namin, Mayor Kalugay, sa inyo itong waiver of confidentiality. So,
Okay.
Paige, sino mga, yes ma'am. Salamat. Abot kay Mayor Kalugay para ngayon pa lang meron na po
Sa kanila yun, I think.
kaming signed waiver of confidentiality. Ito po yung sa okay. Ito po yung sa bank accounts na pinag-usapan nyo kanina ng aking mga
Opo,
colleagues.
Madam Chair.
Salamat, Mayor Kalugay.
Ang immersive ng tunog.
Alright.
Sa production.
Yes. Sa iba pang mga resource persons at iba pang mga tao na nasa hall, you may leave now pending yung final decision po namin kung itutuloy yung aming executive session.
Okay
so,
po.
Maraming salamat po sa ibang mga resource persons. Yes,
You're welcome.
The chair reiterates, ang wish ko rin sana ay ituloy na natin ang executive session.
True.
Di ko
May
ma-
button po, ma'am, yung ano
suspend?
para
Yes,
mag-mute.
suspended already.
May button po yung microphone. Ayun, nahanap niya. Sinatakpan niya. Hinawakan lang niya yung microphone. It's funny. Executive session. Oh, that's it. Pansit. Let's go. That was 3 days ago.